Now we're going to show you how to lower your ADA+2 Satellite Suite with hydraulic jacks. Once the unit is off the truck, you need to go into the service room, turn the hydraulic system control panel on, and lower all jacks to the ground. In this situation, our rear jacks are not on the ground, so currently we are lowering all jacks to the ground. As you can see, the front are already on the ground. Now we'll keep pressing on the buttons to lift the trailer until the tires are off the ground. Once the tires are off the ground, pull cotter pin and then pull the leaf spring safety bar and remove top leaf spring bracket. You'll have to do this on both sides of the trailer. Cotter key, pin, bracket. Now you can go back to the service room and press the Retract All button. Stand out of the way. Make sure everything under the trailer is free and clear, and all the jacks will retract, lowering the trailer to the ground. The system will then go ahead and shut off once the jacks are bottomed out and the trailer is completely on the ground. Now, if you happen to be in a situation where you need to raise or lower the trailer, you can do so at this time with the control panel, with either the front, left, right jacks or the rear jacks. If you hit the rear jacks, both jacks will go on the rear. Now your unit is set on the ground, ready to deploy the ramp and the platform and hand railings.